Hi guys, got a slightly different video for you today, and may well be an ongoing series. I've bought a bit of a project car. It's a bit worse than I expected it to be, but I wanted a project, so I'll flip the camera around and show you around it. So yeah, here she is, Nissan 350z. It's a 2006 on a 55 plate. Yeah, it's good thing it's black. Other than that, there's not a lot good about it. Engine runs fine, mechanically sound. But as you can see, we've got rust on the arch. The wheels aren't in too bad a nick. They just need the. I think that one's actually probably the best one out of them all. Needs the insides all clay barring and cleaning up properly, but I'll probably end up refurbing all four. It's got Brumbos. It's the Grand Touring model, I believe. So yeah, it's got the brake lights, which I quite like. But I think those two are actually the best ones out of them all. Again, get some bubbling rust on there. Probably the worst bit on the car is the headlights and whatever happened to that. But that is literally like sandpaper, so no one needs rubbing down. On the actual listing, all they showed a picture of was this crazing. Didn't say anything about the rest of the bumper, but it's not a major problem. So yeah, the headlights need to be sanded down, maybe. I don't know how bad they are underneath that. This wheel's quite bad. Again, got a little bit of rust coming through here. Paint missing there. Other than that arch isn't too bad. Got a bit of a dent and bits on the door. These have seen better days as well. More rust across the back here. Need to put a new aerial on it. I took that off already because it was knackered. I have washed the vehicle as well. Yeah, it's damaged bumper again. I think this side's been painted really badly. I believe this side has got lacquer peel. The roof has also been painted in somewhere. If I can find it, there's a bit of rust along there. Needs sorting. I think it's the other side that's been painted. I don't know if you can actually see it very well out here. There you can see. I don't know if you can see it in this light. There's a bit there that's not been painted great. Other than that, it's not horrendous. The interior's much the same. Just about to vac it out as I can't put up with it anymore. The struts on the boot need replacing because that drops down and tries to kill you. Other than that, it holds it up for a little while and then it all of a sudden decides to drop on you, like so. Again, this door handle, seen better days. Inside, typical wear and tear really, filthy. Torn, well, separated seat there, which I think I could get new panels put in that if need be. Steering wheel's worn to hell, needs retrim. Gear stick's the same. This window doesn't go down properly. It does go down, but every now and then it won't go back up. You have to whack it and it goes back up. Common fault on these. So needs a new window regulator, window motor on that. Other than that, it's pretty sound. Like I say, it runs fine. It's got a K&N panel filter as a modification, and on the rear we've got a scorpion exhaust under there that needs to come off and be cleaned properly. Plans for the car are, I want to learn to wrap, and being a detailer is something I'd like to get into as well as detailing. So I'm planning on sorting all the rust and stuff out and then wrapping it instead of having it painted. See how I get on with that, but I'd like to try and do it myself. So if you guys would want to see more on the channel of the build of this thing, then drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I'm quite happy to video as much of or as little as you'd like to see. It's going to be an ongoing thing. It's going to be, I'm not busy detailing at the minute. I haven't really got time to do it, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I've always wanted one, and it was cheap, so I'll show you some more in another video if you want to see it. Take care. Bye bye.